Good morning, good morning. I'm definitely more of a morning person than I am a night person. So today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day because I've been asked so many times. Oh, is that a bit like the light? Not off. That's probably better. So yeah, I've been asked quite a few times now to do what I eat in a day because maybe you want to know what to eat for weight loss, but I want to just start off by saying this is just what I eat. I'm not saying you should eat this way or equally. I mean, I think it's great what I eat, but I don't want you to feel like, oh, I have to eat that exact amount, eat exactly what she's eating to be able to lose weight. This is just what I like. This is just what I've found works for me. And yeah, so I've literally just woken up. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm going to go and do some cycling efforts up Craig Vale. If you don't know where Craig Vale is, it is one of the, well, I think it's the longest climb in England. Enough talking, let's just see what I eat. Like I said, I'm gonna be going out on the bike, and so I don't eat a lot of breakfast before I go because I just don't want it, like, it's not good to eat a lot of food before you go and do a big effort. So what I'm generally gonna have is, I don't know, I'm spinning around, one banana, then I'm mixing this like fresh spirulina with either water or orange juice. I'm not decided yet, so I'm going to do that. And then I always have a cup of tea before I go. And so this is the spirulina, and I don't want you to feel like this is literally the second day I've had it. I'm trying it out. It just so happens that when I'm filming my what I eat in a day, this is when I've started eating this, because I did actually contemplate not filming today because I was like, well, I don't normally have that and then I'm going out to eat tonight. And I was like, that's not really a typical day, but I feel like I probably will do a couple of what I eat in a day so you can actually see over time the general stuff that I eat. So I thought I'd just be honest and share what I'm having. So yeah, normally I think you would put this in a smoothie, but I don't really want a smoothie before I go and do a couple of efforts. So I've just mixed it with water, and apparently it's tasteless, so. I tried it with orange juice yesterday, and that was definitely better. I had to put orange juice in it. It's really not nice with water. Do not drink it just with water. So I've just got back from the ride. I just wanted to show you, like, that's how much sugar water I've got left. I barely drank any of it, so I always take extra on rides just to make sure that I've always got enough. And then I had a hike bar, which is like the Aldi version of like a Cliff Bar. I really like them. They're like gluten-free. I really like them. Gluten-free, low in fat, high in fiber. This is not sponsored, but I just really like them. I had the chocolate version on my way to the ride, and now I'm gonna have a shower and then get my first proper breakfast. I always leave them out a little bit just so that they are easy to blend. So I don't know how many that is, maybe 2? No, 3 maybe, 3 or 4. I really don't count anything. I might actually put one fresh one in there just so I've got a little bit extra. And then because it's always so difficult to get the bit in the bottom, I always kind of make like a milkshake to go with it. So I'll just put water in there, blend it up, and then just have a little drink at the side of the ice cream. So now I'm at work, so I'm gonna have my second breakfast, but it is actually 20 to 2 in the afternoon. So I've got this, but it's all leaked in my bag, so it looks like someone's pooped in my bag. But it's basically, I'll show you what it is. Are you filming me? Are you filming me?
I feel Snapchat you.
I'm not on Snapchat. I know. So basically, it doesn't look great, but it's oats, cherries, a little bit of sugar, and carob powder. So it's basically overnight oats. I don't really put milk in, I just like water. That is a bit runnier than I would normally have it. And I don't ever measure anything out, but that's what I'm having. Now I've got, it's about 500 grams, I think, of cherries. I might not eat them all, but I do like cherries. Just out for a meal. Say hello, everybody. Hello! So I've got my food, got what I always have, which is like a veggie dumpling soup, and I've got salad. These guys have got like amazing salads. So I'm gonna order one of those as well. And then Yona's made this lovely dressing. No, I had it last time and it was so good. Thanks, Jonna. Thank you kindly.
Still see no changes.
So I'm back now and just want to do a little bit of a roundup for the end of the what I eat in a day, because I don't really count I don't count calories at all, like just day to day. The only time that I would ever really count calories is when I'm on the bike and I know I need to have like X amount, which is not something that I've done, but I need to start doing. So like the quantities and stuff are gonna vary. And today is not particularly typical because I don't really go out and eat that much, but I kind of want to show that so that you know that you can still go out and eat and lose weight and have a good time really and enjoy your food. So yes, I will do, if you do like these videos then let me know and I can do some more, like maybe even like not recipe videos, but like my favorite kind of like foods or meals that I would eat like on a night. But yeah, let me know if you like it, because it's not specifically cycling related, it's more weight loss related. So, and my channel is more cycling, so I guess the weight loss is going to help with cycling. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to go to bed. I am sleepy and my tummy is full and I'm very content. And yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you next video. If you've got any questions as well, leave them below. I will try and answer like any questions that I get there, and I will see you next video. Goodbye.